Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today we are making minced onion roasted potatoes. Guys, let's get started. Here I have about 8 gold potatoes. What we're gonna do, we're gonna cut them in half and place them in a bowl. Bring a pot of water to a boil, add salt and potatoes, cover with the lid and cook for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, drain out the potatoes, run them under cold water, then leave them in the colander to drain out. Now let's move on to work on our seasoning. In a small bowl, combine dried rosemary, dried thyme. We are also adding in garlic powder. We're gonna also add in minced onion. We are also adding in French fry seasoning. Add in paprika and red pepper flakes. Then mix everything together. Next, drizzle the potatoes with olive oil, then season with the seasoned mix we just made. Keep in mind, guys, the French fry seasoning has a lot of salt, so you must be moderate when you are adding the seasoning to the potatoes. Otherwise, you will end up with salty potatoes. Drizzle the baking sheet with olive oil, then add the potatoes. We're gonna bake this at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes or until they are golden brown. There you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Share it with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my